Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 6 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. I think I'm going to go sunset, and I want to go like bright yellow on the inner part of the lid, so we will see how that looks. I've been gone for a couple weeks again. I did not mean to. I did not mean to be gone for that long again, but I was. I just ended up going on vacation when I wasn't planning to. So it was fun to have a nice little vacation. I'm gonna go in with Tune on this Morphe M504 and just lay that down above the crease and blend it out towards the brow. But we ended up going to Idaho for a couple weeks, literally last minute, within like 2 days, decided we were going and then left. I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 and pick up 518, which is that orange. And then grabbing this Morphe M573 and picking up You're Kidding. And I'm gonna blend that on the outer half into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take this Morphe E17 and I'm going to take You're Kidding mixed with Boutique, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner on the lid to deepen this up. The red is looking a little patchy over here. I swear I always have a patch right here that just like clings. So I have that built up and blended out quite a bit. With these looks, with these bold colors, it's just building and blending. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the crease. I'm gonna do a half cut crease, and then I'm gonna go in with B, and we're just gonna do a matte yellow. I will see how that looks. If I don't like it, I might add a shimmer over the top, but I will see. I'm gonna use my Conceal and Define concealer to cut the crease, which is normally what I do. Then I just took that Morphe E17 that I used to deepen the outer corner and just use that to blend over into that yellow a little bit. I think that actually blended out pretty nicely. Okay, so once I have that built up and blended out, I am just going in, double checking everything's blended nicely. I'm not taking any extra product. I'm just going in and blending everything. Usually go back in with that deep shade that I used to deepen the outer corner and just go back in with that. Tends to get a little blended away normally towards the end, so I like to bring that intensity back. I've really been feeling the all matte looks lately, which is so funny because that just normally is not me. I swear every eye look looks so dumb until you get lashes on. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a little angled brush. This is the Beach Cosmetics number 11 brush. Dude, look how crusty my lips are. I'm gonna take Spooky on this and just smudge that out a little bit on the upper lash line. I don't really like to do liner. I'm not very good at it. It's really hard with the way my eyes are shaped, so this has been my go-to, just smudging out some black See how much better that looks? When you just add that little bit of black to it, I feel like it just defines the eye so much better. So I'm gonna go finish that up. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, pop on lashes, and I will be back to finish up the rest of this eye look. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, so I'm just gonna finish up this eye look really quick. I'm just gonna take that brush that I used to pick up the yellow, which is B, and I'm gonna bring that on the inner corner and on the lower lash line. Then on this step 3, the Vintage Cosmetics Company brush, I'm going to pick up You're Kidding, which is that red, and put that on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then taking 518, which is that orange shade, going right in the center. And then I'm just taking that yellow on this step 1 vintage brush and smoking that out on the edges. Why does my mascara always have to be so messy? I need to switch back to one that isn't so messy. Then I'm going to go into the Essence Extreme Lasting Pencil in Silky Nude and add that to my waterline. Okay, I'm going to grab the contour palette that I used and pick up that highlight shade and cleaning up right under my brow. And then grabbing this Morphe M213, I'm going to pick up Ringlight and putting that under the arch of my brow and on the inner corner. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 6 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm obsessed with how this look came out. I've recently been really into almost all matte looks. I have really been digging it, but I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it turned out really fun. It was a fun mix of colors, still very warm, but I think it turned out really cool. So I'm excited for this look. Let me know what you guys think about this one. And also if you have any requests for any looks or color combos you guys want me to use out of this palette, we have 4 more looks to get through. Like I said, I did film a 5 first impressions on this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.